Welcome to eVersity Quantitative Literacy. This is what you will see when you get to the home page of the course. Begin here. So notice what we have. We have a weekly statement of where you are in the course, and then as you scroll down, we'll have a video of each week, and that will explain what each week's materials will cover. Then there will be a short biography about your teacher. The guide to course navigation is what you are watching now. You have the syllabus and the course schedule. So your class schedule looks like this. Here is week 1, measurement and problem solving. It will tell you what you would need to cover. Here's your lesson material. To take the quantitative literacy pre-test, due Monday. Week 1 exercises. The question is due Thursday midnight. Week homework, and it gives you all the due dates. Classes start Sunday at noon. So the course schedule is different than the calendar. The calendar is the actual monthly calendar. So I would print out the course schedule and go by that. That tells you when everything is due. Now on the left side where you see messages right here on the left toolbar, that is where you will email and communicate to your classmates and your teacher. Under weekly materials, let's go to the next item on the left. You will see a quantitative literacy pretest. This is 10 questions. It won't affect your grade, but you must take it before the first week will show up. Then we go to week 1. In week 1, we look at measurement and problem solving. Week 2, week 3, week 4, 5, and week 6. So under weekly materials, you will see all the materials you need for each week. Click on week 1 measurement. Once you take the pretest, you have refresh your memory. These count for a grade. In each reading, you will have try it now problems, which you will work through, and then there's video solutions to see if you have it right. You make notes and then ask questions in the Q&A. So you will have to ask at least one concept question, and you will answer somebody else's concept question. If you look to the left, you see the exchange. From here on out, wherever you hear about the weekly Q&A or the weekly questions and answers, that is now called the exchange. Then you will work on the week 1 homework and the week 1 quiz. So notice, let's go through a couple pages. In the right-hand corner, you see the page 2 of 63, and you just work through the pages. Here's the refresh your memory. Those are the skill sets needed for each week, what we're covering each week, and then our readings. So you just work your way through, and each page has readings and try it now problems. Now let's look in the middle. You see this table of contents. You see the you try it problems in your readings. That's how each week will run. Notice in the middle of the page right here, it says week 1 exchange. This is where your questions and answers are going to be located. Here's where you ask questions and you answer other people's questions. So it's called week 1 exchange. Each week has questions and answers. You can discuss anything you want of week 1. One of the questions will be graded and one of your answers will be graded. You have to answer someone else's question. So you want to make sure that it's a large question, which means it includes details and concepts. You can look at the rubric in the syllabus to see how those questions and answers are graded. You can ask as many questions and you can answer as many questions as you want. Let's look at week 6. Week 6 includes the same format. So you have readings and you try it. You have homework and then the quiz and the Q&A. I'm looking at the table of contents. But it also includes the quantitative literacy post-test. So this is a 10-question exam that is not counted for your grade, but you must do it before the final exam shows up. So you won't see the final here in this list, but the final will be under week 6, and it won't show up until you finish this post-test. So you have a midterm week 3, and then you have a final week 6. So you make your way through each week, and if you need help, let's go to the left side of the bar. There's a tutorials page here. If you click on that, it takes you to lessons on fractions, whole numbers, decimals, percents, solving inequalities, equations, exponent rules. So you can just click on anything here and It'll help you refresh your memory. You can always check your grades, and then there's additional resources. So again, if you need more help, there's refresher practice problems, that tutorials page I just showed you. These are all videos and things that will help you through each week. So if you don't remember something that you need to know, you can go to additional resources. Please do not hesitate to contact your teacher if you have any questions. And welcome to eVersity Quantitative Literacy course.